Once in Washington, I was even a ghostwriter for President Roosevelt, though he may never have known it. The president wished to send a message of congratulations to Mr. King on the 3rd anniversary of the British Commonwealth Air Training Plan, a project in which Canada now took a great and justifiable pride. I was surprised when a friend on the White House staff, ignoring all rules of diplomatic propriety and without telling the State Department anything, asked me whether I'd be kind enough to do a draft of the message for the president. I did. So, on the 1st of January 1943, the Prime Minister of Canada received a very impressive letter lauding Canada as the Aerodrome of democracy, drafted by me but signed by the President of the United States.